This Comfee 30-inch duct wall mount vent range hood is designed for modern kitchens that demand effective ventilation, refined aesthetics, and reliable performance without overwhelming the space. Manufactured by Comfee, this stainless steel range hood addresses one of the most overlooked yet critical aspects of kitchen design: air quality. Cooking odors, grease, steam, and smoke can quickly build up in enclosed spaces, especially in apartments and condos, and this range hood is engineered to remove those issues efficiently while maintaining a clean and contemporary look. The heart of this range hood is its 450 CFM exhaust capacity, which provides strong suction power capable of handling everything from light simmering to heavy frying and searing. The 3-speed exhaust fan allows users to adjust airflow based on cooking intensity, ensuring that ventilation is always appropriate without unnecessary noise. Even at higher speeds, the hood maintains a balanced sound profile, making it suitable for open kitchens where excessive noise can disrupt conversations or daily routines. The stainless steel construction plays a major role in both durability and visual appeal. This material resists heat, moisture, and grease buildup, while maintaining a polished appearance that complements a wide range of kitchen styles. The curved glass canopy adds a modern design element that elevates the overall aesthetic without sacrificing functionality. Its dimensions are carefully considered to fit standard cabinetry while saving space, making it an excellent choice for smaller kitchens that still require powerful ventilation. Filtration is another area where the Comfee duct wall mount vent performs well. The dishwasher-safe stainless steel baffle filters are designed to capture grease more efficiently than traditional mesh filters. Their rigid construction allows them to channel grease away from the motor area while remaining easy to clean and reuse. Being able to place these filters in the dishwasher simplifies maintenance and encourages regular cleaning, which directly impacts long-term performance and air quality. Lighting is thoughtfully integrated into the design with 2 LED lamps that illuminate the cooking surface clearly and evenly. These lights improve visibility while cooking and contribute to a safer and more comfortable kitchen environment. The LED technology ensures energy efficiency and long service life, reducing the need for frequent replacements and keeping operating costs low. Installation flexibility adds to the appeal of this range hood. It supports duct installation for maximum ventilation efficiency, while also offering the option to convert to ductless operation with the addition of carbon filters. This adaptability makes it suitable for a wide range of homes, including apartments where external ducting may not be possible. Adjustable chimney covers allow the hood to fit different ceiling heights, further enhancing its versatility. From a usability standpoint, the simple button controls keep operation straightforward and intuitive. Users can easily adjust fan speed and lighting without navigating complex digital panels. This simplicity reduces the learning curve and ensures that the hood is used consistently rather than ignored due to complicated controls that are in daily use. The Comfee duct wall mount vent contributes to a noticeably cleaner and more comfortable cooking environment. Odors dissipate quickly, grease buildup on surrounding surfaces is reduced, and the kitchen feels fresher even after extended cooking sessions. Over time, this can lead to lower maintenance needs for cabinets, walls, and appliances, preserving the overall condition of the kitchen. Reliability is reinforced by the inclusion of a manufacturer warranty, offering reassurance that the product is built to last. The solid construction, quality materials, and practical design choices combine to make this range hood a dependable addition to both new kitchen installations and upgrades. Pros: the Comfee duct wall mount vent offers strong 450 CFM ventilation with 3 adjustable fan speeds, delivering effective smoke and odor removal while keeping noise at a manageable level. Its stainless steel body with curved glass provides a modern, space-saving design suitable for apartments and condos. Dishwasher-safe baffle filters simplify maintenance. LED lighting improves visibility, and compatibility with both duct and ductless setups adds valuable flexibility. Cons: carbon filters for ductless installation must be purchased separately, adding to the overall cost. Professional installation may be preferred for optimal performance, which could increase setup expenses for some users. Final verdict: the Comfee 30-inch wall mount vent range hood is a well-balanced solution for homeowners seeking efficient ventilation, modern design, and ease of maintenance. Its powerful airflow, durable construction, and adaptable installation options make it a strong choice for everyday cooking environments. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if this range hood fits your kitchen needs. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.